Nelson is tracking that storm activity tonight, Mike.
And you can't just focus on category 1 versus 2, 3, 4, or 5. The critical thing on this storm is its location and its slow motion because it's just swirling heavy rainfall. The box there, that's a tornado watch over the panhandle of Florida. The surf is going to come up. The rain could be 20 inches in some areas, devastating floods. And it's unfortunate that we couldn't just divvy some of this up because there's no moisture across the west. Colorado could certainly use some of that, as could California, Washington, and Oregon. But around here, it's warm, dry, hazy for this evening. Temperatures will be in the low 60s by 11 p.m. And talk about the smoke. This is the current smoke across the country. See how really thick it is in the west, but it has gotten worse in Colorado, and we can certainly see that in this time lapse from City Park this afternoon. There's a lot of haze out there, and we're going to continue to see that smoke and haze tomorrow as well, dropping even farther south into Colorado, and it goes all the way to the East Coast. So this is really having an impact on much of the country. 88 the high temperature, officially 89 now, 58 the low, so we didn't quite make it to that 90 mark for the 74th time. It's 84 currently downtown, 86 out at the airport. Pressure is falling slightly, and just a lot of smoke and haze out there. There's not much to see around here for the next couple of days, just a weak little system around here, and that is about it. So overnight, we'll just have our skies partly cloudy, and the low temperatures dropping down to about 53 in Denver, 52 in Greeley, 33 in Leadville by early morning, and along the Front Range by early tomorrow morning, temperatures are going to be dropping down into the 30s, even 31 up at Walden, but mostly in the 50s on the plains. Now, there's a weak little front that's going to slip in here tomorrow. As it goes by, we'll keep the haze and smoke, but the temperatures will be slightly cooler over northeast Colorado while it stays hot, mainly dry farther to the west. The high temperatures for Wednesday be back up close to 90 out west of Grand Junction, but just lower 80s expected along the Front Range for tomorrow, and a mix of 60s and 70s in the mountains, but boy, the smoke and the haze will continue to be with us. So hazy, mild, 53 for tonight, winds from the southeast. Tomorrow, not quite as hot, with a high temperature expected at 82. And looking ahead in the extended forecast, although we'll be hot, it's not going to be quite 90. Looking ahead, we'll see temperatures back into the upper 80s Thursday, Friday. Mostly sunny skies, but still some of that haze around. Over the weekend, a minor little system may bring us a few showers on Sunday, but emphasis on the word few. It doesn't look like much. Temperatures stay in the 80s, which is still just a few degrees above the average for this time in mid-September. Wish we could squeeze some moisture out of this around here, or at least take a couple of inches of that rain out of what Sally is producing, but that's just not the way it works.
No,